Good morning everyone and welcome to today's maths lesson. Yesterday we were looking at how we can use number bonds to solve sums quickly. Today we're going to be looking at doubles and how doubles can really help if we can see them in problems, how they can help us to especially add sums quickly. So our learning intention is, can I use doubles to solve addition problems? We need to do this so we can solve problems quickly and accurately. Remember, double is adding the same number to itself. So, for example, 4 plus 4 is 8. Add the tens first, then the ones. Obviously, when we start with the one-digit numbers like 4 plus 4, don't need to worry about the tens. If the ones add up to more than 10, add the extra tens. Add the extra tens. What have you got left over?